Every day, the sun rises over the majestic mountains of Colorado, bringing warmth and light to our homes. But is your home ready to withstand the challenges of the changing seasons? If you need a roof replacement in Lafayette, Colorado, trust the experts at Denny's Roofing, LLC to keep your home safe and comfortable. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we take pride in our work and are committed to providing exceptional roofing solutions for our clients. From inspection to installation, our experienced team will be with you every step of the way. We use only the highest quality materials and equipment to ensure that your new roof is not only strong and durable but also looks great. Our commitment to customer service means that we'll work with you to find the perfect roofing solution for your needs and budget. We even offer free roof inspections and estimates to help you make informed decisions. Don't let a damaged or worn-out roof compromise your safety and comfort. Contact Denny's Roofing, LLC for a free estimate and let us help you protect your home. With Denny's Roofing, LLC, you can trust that your new roof will be installed quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. From the moment you contact us, you'll experience the Denny's Roofing, LLC difference: personalized service, quality workmanship, and a commitment to excellence. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your home and family with the best roofing services in Lafayette. Contact Denny's Roofing, LLC today at 970-808-0247. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Lafayette-roofing-company for a free estimate. Let us help you keep the warmth and light of the sun in your home, year-round.